Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Bases Loaded Lacquer, I'll Still Home for Christmas, and Biutee Collection 11 requested by Pumpkin Queen. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2, and here's Bases Loaded Lacquer, I'll Still Home for Christmas. So we're going to go in with our first coat on these super short nails. I have to tell y'all though, I'm really kind of enjoying them. I don't have to worry about bumping them or anything. So here we go with our second coat. And I really like this one. It's got just that white base that's all squishy, and then with those nice metallic shards of all different colors. Very nice. So happy with this one. Very glad I grabbed it. And here we go. We're going to go ahead and do a third coat. I probably could have got away with two with how short my nails are, but you know, we're playing. Don't forget I have a discount code for Bases Loaded Lacquer down below in the description box. Hi Woody, how you doing? I am going to top this one with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I'm going to get it to dry down so we can do some stamping. There we go. See how pretty? Now we're going to be using Biutee Collection 11, and Pumpkin Queen wanted me to use some of the Biutee Collection plates, and I am going to do more videos using these plates. They're sitting out so that I can remember, but I had to get the blue film off because this is one I haven't used, and I'm cleaning it with acetone and wiping it with a paper towel. I'm going to be using Bases Loaded Lacquer on the black. And I've got out an AliExpress cube stamper and my Maniology scraper. I'm just going to pull different images off of this plate to use. Just kind of willy-nilly, whatever. There we go. I got to get my little tape out to get that extra off of the stamp. Because there's some parts of this I didn't want on my manicure. So there we go. We're going to plop that on there. Very nice. Going to clean that stamper off on a lint roller, and then I'm going to grab a piece of tape and get some of this excess up off of my skin. And I'm sorry about the shadowing and the light being all funky, but if I brighten up all the lights, it glares off of the stamping plate. So we're trying to find a happy medium here. And I'm not cleaning the plate just yet because I'm just picking different bits and pieces, so I don't really need all of that. There we go. There's a better kind of see how I go in and get the excess off of the stamper. There we go. Look at that. So I wanted some images that kind of covered up more and did the peekaboo, and then some that were leaving lots of the polish to shine. And I did recycle that. I used part of it on one nail and part of it on another nail. You can do that. There we go, one more. So I really do like these Biutee stamping plates. They're etched really nice. I haven't ever had any trouble with any of the images, so that's really nice to know. So there we go, get that one all cleaned up there. And then we're going to position it and press down. There we go. And the cleanup's been real easy. I remembered to put some of that Burt's Bees cuticle cream around my cuticles. And I'm going to clean the plate off with pure acetone and wipe it with a paper towel before I put it away. I will be using the Maniology smudge-free top coat today to make sure I don't smudge this image. I also have a Maniology discount code down below if you're interested. And now I'm going to top it all off with Let's Go Top Coat by Moonshine Mani. Here's my manicure. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.